we're over here with our SoloStove campfire, our bonfire. Getting this thing hot, trying to get it down to coals. We're gonna try to get this thing hot and throw our nice cast iron scuttle.
So let me tell you,
from SoloStove on top. And we're gonna make us
that campsite was
chicken
crazy.
cacciatore.
We had people in and out the whole time. Couldn't figure out how to do a good cooking show with everybody there. But let me tell you something. Doesn't mean I give up. So here has been from the future to fill you in on everything that you didn't find out while I was, well. So first thing you need to know. First thing that we did. I took 2 Vidalia onions, big old onions, and I sliced them into long little strips. I threw them into the pan, and they went, and they cooked. Now I cooked them down until they were, starting to get translucent, starting to brown a little bit. And I found out that I forgot my garlic. We're camping. Things happen. I forgot my garlic. That's okay. So what I did then was I scooted all that good onionness, made a little bowl, a little place that I could make the chicken. And then
Around the campfire is not a great place to fall.
I went and I took the chicken one by one and laid them out and started browning the chicken. Now right now everybody in the camp's going, "Ooh, this is awesome." No, this isn't awesome. Awesome is when we get done. Everybody's going, "This is awesome." So I had my chicken in there and it's going psst, and it's turning brown.
Yeah.
And I flipped my chicken. Then, what did I do then? Do I remember? It's a good question. So then, I add my stock.
You might be
pre-measured some chicken stock and brought with me. I add my wine. I bought a little bit tiny bottle of wine. I don't know if it was a cup, but that's what's on your recipe. I poured those two. Then I took this little bowl of herbs I had with rosemary and parsley. And I had chopped them up.
Now we're gonna let it simmer for.
And I put them in there, and I cooked those down in there with it. Now this cooked for 45 minutes, 50 minutes, an hour, somewhere in there. Camping. Again, things get iffy. Cook it long enough, the chicken's gonna be really good and done. So I let that cook. We got down to about 5-10 minutes before I'm ready to eat. I went out there and I threw some olives in there, which weren't really part of the original recipe, but they're in there now. I like it. Threw the rest of the parsley on top so you had some nice fresh green. Right about this point, I pulled it out and realized I didn't have a table. I don't have a table, but I did have the metal lid that I covered the SoloStove with. So put that big old giant cast iron down on top of the lid for the SoloStove, and we served everyone. And then that's right. Then we get to watch Cole go, "Oh, this is really good." You know why it's really good? Because I made it. Y'all come back here.
Because I hate to put that down and then burn something.
We're gonna have to get food. I'm loving this thing.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, so when you're riding ostriches, you like hold on to their wings essentially. So you're just sitting on them.
So they're pissed off, sitting on them. It's not just everything about this
You're holding on,
sounds like a bad idea.
So you're
Exactly.
oh, there's nothing good. There's nothing good about it at all.
How did you get convinced to ride one of these?
I was because I was young and riding horses, and it sounded like a fun time.
Woo! Well, oh no, I was just saying that. I couldn't do it.
So were you famous in town?
Dude,
No.
man,
Ostrich
racing.
No.
that's good.
Oh, good.
That's very good. Very good.
No, I didn't. It's only as I got